The berries float and are carried by the gentle water current. This is
The berries pass through soft, rotating nylon brushes.
The factory employs a closed-loop water recycling system. Wash water is filtered.
Sanitizing solution.
As the berries cascade into the tunnel, the gentle air drying system activates.
Despite thorough washing, some plant material may remain. Precision air. The control panel provides real-time data on size distribution.
Despite advanced automation, human inspectors examine samples from the premium line. Under magnifying lamps,
As the processing lines activate, each grade of raspberry flows efficiently from the stainless steel hoppers to its specific processing line.
Granulated sugar is gradually added to the raspberry pulp.
As the citrus pectin is introduced, the automated system takes over, precisely controlling the addition. This
These traditional methods, like the refractometer and the plate test, complement our digital monitoring to ensure each.
The addition of food-grade citric acid carefully adjusts the pH. Proper acidity ensures a bright, fruity flavor and significantly improves preservation.
The hot jam flows smoothly through the large stainless steel pipe. This impressive transfer moves hundreds of liters at once toward the next stage.
The hot jam passes through a machine that gently separates and removes raspberry seeds. The seeds are collected for other use.
Evidence. The cooled, pasteurized jam flows into these large, insulated stainless steel tanks, held. A smooth tracking shot follows the jam as it is pumped through the insulated stainless steel pipelines towards the automated packaging facility.
As the jars enter the cooling tunnel, gently blowing cool air gradually lowers their temperature, preventing thermal shock and ensuring a strong vacuum seal.
A beam etches the production date, batch code, and expiration date onto the glass or label. The coating is permanent, food safe, and doesn't use ink.
Cases move rapidly into the machine, emerging securely sealed and ready for palletizing. The operation is consistent and efficient.
Using handheld scanners, our team ensures every movement is tracked. This real-time visibility optimizes storage and retrieval across the entire facility.
Utilizing advanced tracking systems, our team ensures the rapid, efficient flow of materials like this raspberry jam from the racks directly to shipping.
This shipment is ready for pickup.
Did you check the manifest against the bill of lading?
Go! Everything matches up, seal it.
Bill of lading and manifest are confirmed. Sign here for customs. Keep the pouch secure. You're cleared.
All right, I'm on my way.
Keep stirring gently to prevent scorching. Notice how the bubbles slow down and the color deepens as the pectin activates and the mixture thickens.
As the visualization shows, efficiency has risen to 63%. This real-time data is crucial for
well-maintained equipment is crucial for reliable production. Lubricating these bearings now prevents costly failures later. Maintaining a sterile environment begins here. Every employee must follow strict hand-washing procedures before entering the production floor.
What starts as a sun-ripened berry finishes as the freshest jam on the shelf.
Let's review the shift handover. Production volumes hit the target, but we need to address the maintenance issues noted here. Remember the safety protocols. This highlights the immense scale of ingredient sourcing required for large-scale production.
Packaging materials are a critical supply chain component. Without careful planning, production stoppages become unavoidable.
Featuring rooftop solar panels, an advanced water recycling plant, and a dedicated composting area, this
This visual circle ties the narrative together, showing the connection between consumption and the farms where everything began.
Here, at the heart of the raspberry blossom, the journey begins.
Bees are critical to the pollination process. Their work highlights the delicate balance of biodiversity that sustains agriculture worldwide.
Healthy soil is the foundation of healthy fruit. This scientific approach to farming precedes the harvest.
Sensors measure temperature, humidity, rainfall, and sunlight. This data helps farmers.
This storm is accelerating. We have a tighter window than expected.
The fruit on the south blocks won't hold past Wednesday. We have to move now.
Hey team, eyes here on the operational checklist. Remember, safety is our top priority out here. Do not approach the combines while they are running.
Quality check is good. Maintain current settings.
To preserve freshness before transport, the berries are kept in cold storage. Temperature control begins immediately, holding steady at 2 degrees Celsius. Before transit, the driver verifies the refrigeration unit is set precisely to 0.5 degrees Celsius, securing the cold chain for the raspberries.
To prevent contamination, warm air is pushed through HEPA filters. The digital displays continuously monitor.
Critical safety devices are checked regularly and tagged with inspection dates. Safety in high-pressure, high-temperature cooking is non-negotiable. This is the jam sample retention library. Jars from each batch are stored here, kept for reference in case of quality inquiries.
We only use glass jars from approved suppliers, verifying that their quality and safety standards meet our certification requirements.
To ensure packaging accuracy, the approved label proofs, signed off by quality control, are displayed directly on the line. Routine safety checks like this one are vital. We look for any damage or deformation that could compromise the integrity of the pallet racking system.
Understanding these hygiene standards is critical. Next, we'll move on to the practical application and safety protocols for the specific machine operations.
Here at the factory, employee well-being is our top priority. This station is regularly checked and fully stocked for any emergency.
Community involvement is central to who we are. We're proud to support local events and see our employees volunteering their time.
Water from washing and cleaning is treated here to remove organic matter before it is released or reused. Environmental compliance is critical.
We adhere strictly to recognized global standards. Our certifications include ISO 22000,
Utilizing advanced logistics, the locally produced raspberry jam is now exported to dozens of countries worldwide.
The quality of Factory's raspberry jam is essential here. It's incredibly versatile, providing that perfect tartness this gourmet dish needs.